They're cranking up history in Cambridge.
It was hard life.
These carts are going to go down into the water.
This World War II era U.S. Army P-520 crash boat is coming out of the water in the same yard where so many sister boats were built. She needs an insurance inspection on damage that happened during a trip from California to the East Coast.
This is an 85-foot crash boat that's coming up. We built 14 of them here, and we built 13 of the 83-footers.
What's now Yacht Maintenance Company was Cambridge Shipbuilders, where about 500 people were working in the 1940s to build these wooden boats that rescued airmen when they were shot down.
We're standing in front of one of the last really remaining railways on the bay. One of the things that's preferred on a railway over a travel lift is you get a lot of support on the keel of the boat.
Before she was lifted out of the water, Bay Bulletin took a tour with volunteer consultant Ted Yudlowski, who worked to make Cambridge her home port. Once repaired, she will serve as a traveling museum and visit other destinations on the bay, including Annapolis.
We're on the last fully operational and basically period correct 85-foot crash boat. There are no more.
He showed us the infirmary where they would attempt to do surgery, but there was a harsh reality.
So these boats were necessary to go out, rescue down pilots, and in most cases they were recovering bodies. So it was a sort of a torment for the crew.
Alarms alerted the crew to danger on the water.
Taking fire, collision, contact, chemical attack. These are the bunks, first part of the bunks. You typically had a crew of 14 to 15. That was your escape hatch.
The P-520 could travel up to 45 knots.
The issue was speed. We didn't have helicopters. And, you know, you had some flying boats, but basically bad weather could ground them as well.
It is fascinating to see that history up close. The hope is to get the public on board later this summer. Yudlowski wants to offer ticket rides once she's fixed up and has the proper inspections. What's it like to walk on History Daily?
It's incredible.
A feeling they hope to preserve and share.
We have our original freezer and refrigerator.
For Chesapeake Bay Media's Bay Bulletin, I'm Cheryl Costello.